Sure. I'm Brad Oberly, and I'm a professor of biology at New College of Florida. And we're here at Tidy Island, which is the largest intact mangrove habitat in Sarasota Bay. And right now, Tidy Island is getting a major makeover. For the last 50 years, it has been a playground for different species of nuisance plants. You can see what's left of them hanging over the top of me. And it's what's left of them because with support from the United States Environmental Protection Agency and in partnership with the Sarasota Bay Estuary Program, we were able to pay contractors to remove these invasive plants. The question is, what comes back to replace them? And if you look behind me, you'll see the future of Tidy Island. We are intentionally using community power in order to put back high quality habitat that consists of 8 different species of Florida-friendly plants that we're planting as part of an experiment to see which ones grow best. And the most exciting part of this project, besides the habitat restored, is mangroves are really special habitats that connect what's happening on land to what's happening in our oceans. And so part of our project, which we initially designed and we received permits from all the different relative agencies, is this mulch that is ground up invasive plant parts. We poured it into bags and we sunk those bags in some of the channels that were part of the original disturbance out here at Tidy Island. And in those channels where we have the mulch deployed, we are continuously monitoring water quality, fish habitat usage, and fish community structures. My colleague, Dr. Jane Gardner, has been out every month with seines to figure out which kinds of species are present. And she's also been working with some of the researchers at Moat Marine Lab, like Ryan Schlesser, to tag certain economically important fish species, particularly snook, to see how to use the habitat. So we've got one mosquito ditch with the mulch where we've been monitoring everything that's happening. And then we've got another one where we didn't do a thing. And the goal is to compare how water quality, fish communities, and habitat use differ between the ditch where we added the mulch and the ditch where we left everything alone. At the end of the project, data comes out, so does the mulch, and we'll be able to tell other restoration practitioners whether or not it's practical to dispose of some of this invasive deadwood by solving the problem that originally put it here. And that problem is digging out a channel, removing a bunch of sediment, causing a bunch of disturbance that invites all these nuisance plants.
Hey, hi, I'm Darcy with the Sarasota Bay Estuary Program. We're out here supporting the restoration of Tidy Island with New College of Florida. Here's my friend Tim. He's got some foliage for me. So we're out here with about 30 people this morning replanting following taking out a ton of invasive plants. So we're going to follow the restoration of these plants and look to see which ones succeed.
I'm Damon Moore. I don't know how they tricked me into coming out here. It's incredibly hot. I work with Manatee County Parks and Natural Resources. I've been a big fan of Brad and New College for doing this project. We've talked about it for a little while, talked about plants and that sort of stuff. So just really pumped to see it's happening. I know Brad's going to be doing research on this. The results of that are going to really help restoration practitioners improve our practice and make what we do even better. So anything that I can do to be a part of this, I'm all for it.
When I did the Google Earth thing, I was like, wow, this is pretty cool. With only a little bit of housing on it.
Hi, I'm Dave Tomask. I'm the director of the Sarasota Bay Estuary Program. The health of the estuary depends upon more than water quality alone. It depends upon a healthy wetlands, uplands. There's an interconnectedness in the health of the bay that we need to have, healthy bird populations, fish populations, water quality. We have to have places for, habitat for everything that makes for a healthy bay. So one of the best ways to do that is to clear off our exotic vegetation, put native plants in here and get our native, Florida wildlife back in place. And that's one of the things we're hoping to do here.
Okay. Hello, my name is Andrew. I wanted to come out here because obviously plant life is very important with today's world right now. And I felt like I might pitch myself in and do my part.
My name is Marshall Weichel. I'm a volunteer coming out here to help plant trees on Tidy Island. I have paddled around Tidy Island a number of times and always wondered what the research project was. So this was a chance to get a little closer to it.